Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can change your username on Instagram. Username is what they can find your account by. How do you change it? Very simple. You go to Instagram, go to your profile, then click Edit Profile. Here you have a button, Username. Attribute your username. It must be unique. If you have here it says you cannot, then such username is already taken. Someone already has it, but be careful. You can change it once every 14 days. All done. Click Save. You go, and it is immediately changed. As you can see, it's a very simple and quick way to do it. Done. There's nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.